Hey Siri, your mama's so dumb. When I asked her 1 plus 1, she said let me go check at the calendar.
Your mama's so fat, not even her ghost could float.
Your mama's so ugly. When she goes to the zoo, the animals feed her.
You're so ugly, the principal adds a mirror to the detention room and tells you to look at it for punishment.
Your mom is so fat that when she got on the elevator, it dropped to the first floor.
I wish you were like the sun. Now get 93 million miles away from me.
Dang, that was too far.
Just like your hairline.